How's it, guys? My name is Andre Hanekom and I'm from Viva Africa Sound and Light. I'd like to chat about the Hybrid Plus Altium 15. The Altium 15 is an exciting offering from Viva Africa Sound and Light. Branded under our premium Hybrid Plus umbrella, extensive research and design has gone into producing this product. All functions can be controlled using the rotary encoder and dual color display. The functions are the master volume, input volume, the Bluetooth volume. You can select between mono balanced or stereo unbalanced. You can select between line input or mic input. Then you can change the low EQ, the mid EQ and the high EQ. So here you can select your preset, which I'm going to get into in much detail a bit later, and save it to the preset. The Hybrid Plus Altium 15 can also accept Bluetooth as an input source. Open the Bluetooth on your mobile phone, device or PC or laptop and search for the hybrid device in the Bluetooth list. Upon selecting your Altium 15, your device will prompt for a password. The factory default password is 1234. On a side note, you can change this password in the Utilities menu when you are in Wi-Fi mode and connected via the app. Once successfully connected, audio playback from your mobile device is now possible. The Altium 15 has an amazing feature where you can control the speaker using a Wi-Fi connection. Simply turn off the Altium 15 if it's not already turned off. Switch on the unit and press and hold the encoder while you see the countdown from 3 to 0. If you are successful, the screen will show you a confirmation that you are in Wi-Fi mode. To access the software, connect your Wi-Fi enabled device to the Altium 15. In my case, I've got the iPhone, but you can connect to it with any Wi-Fi enabled device. So I'm going to click on settings on my phone. I'm going to select Wi-Fi, and I'm going to select the Hybrid Plus device that comes up on my screen. The default password is 12345678, and I'm going to say join. Once you are successfully connected, you can open up any browser on your Wi-Fi device. In the address bar, type the following number: 192.168.4.1, and you can say go. You'll now get access to all the Altium 15 features. For example, the input level, the mic or line selection, the Bluetooth level, the output level, the low, mid and high EQ, the presets, and you can select the utilities where you can enable the Wi-Fi, you can change the password, you can write a preset, and you can upgrade to firmware on here. There are 4 presets on the Altium 15. The 4 presets can be broken down into flat, music, satellite live, and satellite music. Preset 1, the flat preset, tuned to have an extremely flat response with a very gradual roll-off across the range. Preset 1 is best suited for live, vocal applications with high dynamic content. Preset 2, the music preset, is best suited for electronic dance music or any other application where the bass line is the main feature of the acoustic content. Preset 3, also known as the satellite live, is best suited as a standalone for speech or for applications where a separate sub-bass cabinet is being used with the Altium 15 for a live performance. Preset 4, also known as the satellite music, is best suited for applications where a separate sub-bass cabinet with high SPL is being used with the Altium 15 while playing music.
Altium 15. See.